Question 3. Why do we care about data type? Answer. Data type indicates the nature of data that can be stored in a variable. It also determines the maximum size of the container. Question 4. What is the concept of dynamic typing mechanism? Answer. Dynamic typing is a programming language feature where variables do not have predefined types. Instead, the type of a variable is determined at runtime based on the value assigned to it. Look into these examples. If we write x equal to 5, it will mean x stores integer values. If we write x equal to hello, it means x stores string-type values. And if we say x is equal to opening square bracket 1, 2, 3 closing square bracket, then x is capable of storing data in form of a list. Question 5. What are the commonly used data types in Python? Answer. Here are the common data types that are present in Python. Integers. Integers are numeric values, which are whole numbers. They may include negative numbers, 0, or positive numbers. Examples include -23, 0, 67, etc. Float. Floats are floating point or fractional numeric values. Like integers, they may be negative values, 0, or positive values. Examples include -23.34, 0.0, 67.19, etc. String. Strings are collections of characters that may include digits, letters, space, or special characters, making a single unit. Boolean. Boolean values can be only either true or false. There are some collection-type data in Python. List. In Python, a list is a versatile data structure used to store a collection of items. Lists are ordered, mutable, modifiable, and can contain elements of different data types, including integers, strings, floats, and even other lists. Lists are defined using square brackets, and individual elements are separated by commas. Tuple. A tuple is a data structure similar to a list, but it is immutable, meaning its elements cannot be changed or modified after the tuple is created. Tuples are defined using parentheses, and individual elements are separated by commas. Sets. In Python, a set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Sets are defined using curly braces or by using the set constructor function, and individual elements are separated by commas. Dictionaries. A dictionary is an unordered collection of key-value pairs. Dictionaries are defined using curly braces and key-value pairs are separated by commas, with each key and its associated value separated by a colon. Choosing the appropriate collection type depends on the specific requirements of your task, such as whether you need ordered or unordered elements, mutable or immutable data, or unique or duplicate values.
Hello viewers, my name is Santanu Karmakar. I am the maker of this video. I am teaching video content making, Python, and Java. If any of these is one of your needs, the links are available in the description, and you may take a look at that.